Good morning, Stampin' crew. How y'all be? I am here to share this cute little project I did, and it's an alternate for Paper Pumpkin, last month's Paper Pumpkin kit called Birthday Poppy, or Poppy Birthday, Poppin' Birthday. There we go. And I did an alternate for it, but I did make a couple of the cards. I have a video on my YouTube channel here, if you want to check that out. I also am doing something a little different. This video will be released April the 16th, but those of you that are in my Crafty Impressions on a Whim Stampin' Up group will see this today, which is April the 15th. You will get an exclusive look before anybody else does. Just a way for me to say thank you so much for your love, your support, for not just, those of you that order from me, whether it be Paper Pumpkin, whether it be products. Also for those who are on my team as well, that is in my group. I appreciate each and every one of you, as I do for all of you that follow me on YouTube. You all mean so much to me. I would not still be doing Stampin' Up if it wasn't for the love and support that is shown for me, and for those who order that has not even contacted me, just has ordered. And there's a couple of those that live here in my hometown. I don't know if you guys watch this. You never say anything, but I do want to say thank you to them as well. So let me get right into this video. I don't want to make this super long, but I want to make it an effective video. That way you can see Paper Pumpkin Stampin' Up for what it is. And it's wonderful products. Products that I love and I do stand by. I loved before I even signed up. So here's one of the cards that I made. And this is how you're supposed to make them. And here is the other one. And they are such cute cards. I love these, and I can't wait to give these to somebody. But as most of you know, I like making cards, but it's not something I sit and I could do day after day. I like making other things, and so do a lot of people that watch my videos. They like making many other things. So alternatives is a great way to show the way you can use Paper Pumpkin, the different variety of ways that you can do it with the crafts that you love to do. So I made this mini album, and this is all Paper Pumpkin. There's only one thing that is not Paper Pumpkin, and that is the Velcro I used to close this. So I did use some of the ink, which is the Poppy Parade, to do some coloring on the outside of this album. And let me turn my light on here. Maybe you can see it better. I don't know. Oh, focus. There we go. And I did some of the coloring on the outside. Just give it a little extra look. Let me turn that off. That's really not helping. So, and then I put this little tag on the front. It says, "It's your birthday." A little bow. It is so cute. Now it just opens up with some Velcro here. And this is your first page. Now these they're all glued down, but you could put you can put little pictures, little wallet size if you want to. Then you turn the page and you have a little tuck here. And as soon as I find a piece of paper, here we go. There is a little tuck there that you can put a picture in as well, little note, whatever you want. It says happy birthday, and it has a bow. Here on this one here has a couple of the hats, and it says today we celebrate you. It is left plain, that way you can put a photo there as well. When you turn it, this one here is plain. It does have some stamping on it, but you could put a photo there. And you can stick photos inside the pockets here. I think this one, I think all of them are like that, but we'll check. I was so excited about making this that I just wasn't even thinking. So you have a pocket here. You can stick photos, notes, whatever. It says it's your birthday, a couple of the banners from the kit, and a couple bows. Here is a little tuck spot. I have a couple tags. That is from the kit as well. And it's stuck in there with the cute birthday candles and another pocket to put pictures. Here you have a belly band. You also have one of our flag pages. You can put a couple wallets, put a little right on there on both sides. But it just tucks down here and you can stick more pictures in behind. Whatever you want to do. It's really cute, I think. Here is another pocket to put pictures. And this, I used the birthday cake cards. I cut them out and I used them as tucks here. So there is the card, the pop-up card, and I just used it to put in these cute little tags. And it also is a tuck in behind. That way you can put pictures in behind as well. Here's another cute little page, just 3 simple bows up at the top to give it that little decoration that, you know, we all love. And you can put a picture here as well. Here is another pocket. Here's a place to write. And here is a tuck spot that you can put pictures in or whatever it is that you wish to do. Here is just a simple page. Well, no, actually this isn't. Tells you about the pocket. Now on the back side of this, you have the happy birthday and all, and then you open it up. And the birthday card is in the back of this mini album. That way you can write whoever, you know, gets this, if they gift it to you, you can put a little note here, whatever, and then it closes up. And that, close this up. Now for this part here, for the tag, I did put some of the dimensional edging, so when this goes down, it's even. It's not all flopping, whatever. It gives it some stability. So this is my alternative. I think it turned out really cute. I really love it. And what a way to use your paper pumpkin. I mean, you could have just taken the card, put the envelopes together, done an album like that, used the cards to use another album, or used them for journaling, whatever. So many possibilities with paper pumpkin. So it's not always about making cards. It's about making whatever it is that you can imagine in your head, or when you sit down at your crafting table. That is paper pumpkin. It could be turned into whatever creation that you can think of. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you're interested in paper pumpkin and you want to get it, links are down below. Also, you can quit at any time. You can suspend it for a month or 2. You can cancel it altogether. Also, if you do that, if you get it for 2 or 3 months and you decide to stick with it, awesome. If you decide to suspend it or cancel it, you can always go back in a later date with your email and your password and pick up paper pumpkin again. So it's never, you don't all have to re-sign up for it. So if you're interested in that, hit me up, guys. Trust me, these kits are amazing, and it's perfect for those who are beginning into paper crafting, beginning into scrapbooking, whatever paper crafting projects that you love. This is a great way to build your stash and to create some amazing things. Thank you guys for watching this. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, click that bell for other videos. I try to upload at least twice a week, videos twice a week here on my channel. All of you in my Stampin' Up group, sorry, I'm all like listening to the boys. I've got one home sick today. For all of you in my Stampin' Up group, thank you for all your love and support. All of you on YouTube as well. You all are amazing and the reason I keep doing this. Much love to you guys, and I will leave you guys as I always do, with a goodbye, a God bless, and see y'all again soon.